If you're looking to dive into the world of online income, Warrior Plus is a fantastic platform to explore. Today, I'll show you how to start making money with Warrior Plus. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Create your Warrior Plus account. First, head over to warriorplus.com and sign up for a free account. Just click on Join and enter your details. Once you've confirmed your email and logged in, you're ready to start. Step 2. Explore Warrior Plus Marketplace. Next, explore the Warrior Plus Marketplace. Here, you'll find a variety of digital products like ebooks, courses, and software that you can promote. Browse through the categories and find products that interest you. Step 3. Become an affiliate. To start making money, you'll need to become an affiliate. Click on Affiliates in the menu and apply to promote the products you're interested in. Once approved, you'll get a unique affiliate link that tracks your sales. Step 4. Promote your affiliate links. Now comes the fun part, promoting your affiliate links. Share them on your blog, social media, or through email marketing. You can create content like reviews, tutorials, or even run paid ads to drive traffic to your affiliate links. The more visibility your links get, the more sales you can make. Step 5. Track your earnings. Keep an eye on your earnings through your Warrior Plus dashboard. Here you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions. This will help you understand what's working and where you might need to tweak your strategy. Step 6. Explore other revenue streams. Besides affiliate marketing, you can also consider selling your own products on Warrior Plus. Create digital products or services, list them on the platform, and earn money from your sales. It's a great way to diversify your income. And that's a wrap on how to make money with Warrior Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Got questions or need more details? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.